What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money, and so am I. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we'll look at the 24 hours market performance. Right after that, we'll look at the prices and details to see what's going on. And right definitely after that, we'll look at our positions. Are we ready to buy the Lambo? Nah, not yet, guys. But we're on the right way. We are on the right track. So let me set this down. To start with, I want to apologize for yesterday. I couldn't upload a video yesterday. I got off work very early. I had to drive 4 hours, back and forth, and I was too burnt out. Trust me. I took a shower and then came back. By the time before I even knew it, it was 1 o'clock in the morning. So I apologize for not uploading to update you guys yesterday, because I know a lot of you were panicking yesterday, looking at what was going on in the market. Which again, like I always tell you guys, is not time to panic. Those things happen, okay? Those things happen. You get people that want to take advantage of other people. People don't want to work hard lately. People decide like the easiest way to make money is by stealing. Okay, so people stole what happened with Bybit. Okay, so they hacked Bybit, and as a result, I think they stole around 1 point something billion dollars. And that is what caused the FOMO. I mean, the FUD, and people FUDing out and thinking that FTX 2.0 was going to happen again. But the good thing that after FTX, all those exchanges, they have started to have backups. They have to show the proof of reserve to the different government entities, like the SEC or whatever. They have to really show that they have backup. Okay, so FTX, they came out, they tweeted about it, and they told everybody in the world that you shouldn't worry about it, because they could cover those losses, those funds, just in case they cannot catch the culprit. So yeah, that's why you saw, and I told you guys, it's not time for you to panic. Okay, so things like that will happen. Anyways, back to what we're talking about. Is altcoin season yet? Are we in the bull run yet? And everybody has their own opinion with everything. Okay, everybody has their own opinion about it. Some people will tell you no, some people will tell you they don't know. But me in particular, if you've been following my channel, you will know I told you altcoin season has started. The bull run that we are right now, currently in the last phases of the bull run. That's where we are right now. Because when you look at everything, the rate cuts, the CPI, inflation data, everything points that, yeah, we are in a bull run. Okay, so I've always told you guys, moments like this, okay, is when you make money. Is when you actually make the generational wealth. Okay, if you want to make millions and millions of dollars, you should start when the bear market is about to end. But if you are too late, let's say you are late and you couldn't get in during the bottom of the bear market, now this is your last chance to make money. Either pay bills or what. Everybody has their different stories. For me, what I always tell you guys, if you've been following my channel, I've been telling you guys, get in. It's time for you to do this. If you got in all these times, you would have been up specifically probably 20 or 30x your money by now, if you did. Because I started telling people to get into Casper when we was around 5 cents. That's when I started telling guys, like, hey, no, not 5 cents, 3 cents. When it was 3 cents, I started telling guys, even the people close to me, my close friends, okay? Sean, I know you watching. Yeah, Sean is one of my friends slash students. But anyways, are you watching? And you could really say, because I told you guys to get into Casper less than around 1 cent. I think I was telling everybody. Okay, my also good friend Emmanuel, you know. So if you would have got into Casper at 1 cent, okay, right now you will be up significantly. Imagine if you had a leverage trade at 1 cent using 50x or even using 5x. By now you will be up a lot, because I see a lot of people sometimes, yeah, every time you say get in, it doesn't go. Get in, it doesn't. It goes up and then it comes back down. Guys, I've told you, I am not a day trader. The way I look at charts is different from the way you look at them. When I tell you get in, I am a long-term trader. You get in right now, look at that price in 4 or 5 months from now, and you tell me if I was right or not. You tell me. Okay? So yeah, everything you need to succeed, to make money, is right in front of you. You don't even have to go far away. Okay? Now comes the debate of, am I right about altcoin season started yet? Or if I'm right about the market going to shut down sooner than a lot of people think. May not shut down, going to bear market sooner than a lot of people think. Okay, let's start with the rate cuts. Okay, excuse me, let me set this like this. Okay, let's start with the rate cuts. For example, if you've been following, okay, we are almost to the point of where the government is about to cut them. I think they probably still have 2 more rate cuts before we go to zero, before the interest rate completely goes to zero. And what happened when the interest rate goes to zero? People with big money, stock market, what you call them, Fidelity, BlackRock, Grayscale, all of them, they start, because the interest rate is zero, they start to accumulate the dollar. Okay, they take the dollars off the street. They start to accumulate by lending out. Okay, people start to lend, like borrow. They start to borrow money. Okay, once they borrow that money, like I told you guys the last time, the dollar in the street goes down. That regulates the inflation. I don't know. You can go look at economy 101. It's just a simple thing. Everybody, when you start to study economy, that's the first thing they show you: the money cycles. Okay, the money cycles, which again, that is where Bitcoin 4-year cycle plays in. Every 4 years there is a halving because of that same how you call it, the same policy. It's not a policy, the same theory. So yeah, that's the word I want to use. The same theory. The federal government does that every 4 years. 1 year they will cut rates. The next after the cycle ended, they will increase rate. That is how they regulate the economy. So yeah, going back to what we're talking about, the reason why I'm telling you that the bull run would not last, as a lot of people think, because if you follow the FOMC meetings where they cut rates, I think we still have 2 more, and probably by May this year or June. I'm thinking May they will go 0 interest rate by this May. If they push it, because you never know, Uncle Sam might wake up and say no, not May anymore, it's going to be June. But I'm pretty sure May or even June, interest rate will go 0. Okay, then the major final legs of Bitcoin will start. The final legs. If you've been in this bull run, you know exactly that the final legs of Bitcoin don't last more than 2 months. They don't. So if you start, let's say, July, August, September, so the bull run will end probably in August or September this year. That's what will happen. So now, a lot of people still think different. A lot of people still they still think another thing. I showed you guys the other day. I showed it to you. When the bull run, when the last phases, the last weeks of the bull run begins, you remember that trend line that I showed you guys? We usually touch it twice. 1, 2, and up. That does not mean that we will not have corrections in between. Yes, you will have corrections. But again, most people are not paying attention to that. So put 2 and 2 together, okay? Put like 1 and 2 together. You will see exactly what I'm trying to tell you. You will see it. Last FOMC meeting, sorry, to cut the interest rate to 0 is going to be either May or June, either or, okay? Because actually it's going to be May, but if they push it backwards like they did the last time, they might push it to June. So yeah, the last you have never seen everybody telling you that, okay, let's just say, let me try to believe what they're talking about, okay? That the bull run will last until December. Go to any of the bull runs. Has Bitcoin ever run 6 months straight going up? That's one thing. It's very easy for you to see if I was right or not. When the bull run goes to these last stages, again, it takes 2 to 3 months for Bitcoin to top out when it starts to like go crazy upwards. And therefore, if the last FOMC meeting is in May, meaning you have June, July, August. Okay, by August you should get out or start getting out if you want to. But if it is in June, that means you have July, August, September. So if probably end of September, October, you should be out of the market. It's that simple. It's not going to run till December/January. It's not going to happen. No, it's not. Even looking right now, looking at the market right now, okay? Look at Bitcoin. I showed you guys that chart the other day. Let me see. Excuse me a second. Let me move my mug a little bit far from where I have it because that thing is trying to slide. I don't want it to slide over here. Okay, give me a second. Yeah, sorry about that. If you look at Bitcoin, okay, you guys already know I don't trade on the hourly or the 4-hour. I trade on the daily or weekly. That's where I trade. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, the trend has been going sideways. Like I said, Bitcoin is going from $94,000 all the way $98,000. So he's been going sideways. That right there, my friends, shows that Bitcoin is about to take upwards. It's about to happen. Okay, it's this. You would have taken up yesterday or the before yesterday, but again, we have events that happen in between, like what happened to Bybit. People panic and now it resets again. But one thing you have to look at is the ribbon. Are you looking at the ribbon? Ribbon still completely green. Even after all that dump from 98 to I think $93,000, whatever. Are you looking at the ribbon? Still green. Are you looking at the moving average on the daily and the weekly? They are all still pointing upwards. So yeah, it has started. A lot of people don't understand it, which again, I will say it. How you say it? I feel bad. You understand? I really feel bad about it because most people are getting really, really wrecked. They are getting really wrecked because they are still thinking that this bull run is the same thing as the last bull run. But guys, it's not. It's not the same thing. I'm telling you guys. I showed you guys my chart the other day. Did you see? It went and touched that red line. It touched it. Guys, it might spend probably 3, 4, 5 days or a week hugging it. That's what it usually do. Because when you look at it on the daily, it touches like a complete week touching it, and then bam, it bounced up. If you look at it on the weekly, it might touch it one time or twice and it goes. That's how it is. Now, a lot of people still think like, yeah, altcoin season is going to happen when money trickles from Bitcoin and then down to altcoins and blah blah. No, guys, it is not. It's not. Before, nobody had idea of how the cryptocurrency works. Nobody had idea. People used to buy Bitcoin, and then yes, when they see Bitcoin topping out, they will take their profit, they will go into Ethereum, and they will see Ethereum, and then you will see Ethereum start to run. But look at it right now. Bitcoin is going up 98, 99,000. When it does, look at Ethereum. Ethereum also going up at the same time. 2,000, 2,400, 2,007, $2,800. They climb at the same time. They climb at the same time, because I'm telling you, there is a lot of things that have changed for this bull run. A lot of things that have changed. And the only thing I can tell you is you need to be in that position before the BlackRocks, the Fidelities, the Grayscales, and everybody else understands, like, you know what? This is where money is going to come from. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Casper. Talking about Quant. Okay? Talking about Jasmine. Cubic is a very high risk, high reward, like I've always told you guys. For me, price might not move as sharp as it's supposed to, but just the idea of what they're trying to accomplish, that's why I am putting my money in Cubic. Because if there's a probability right there, if they pull it off, then yes, you're going to make a lot of money out of it. That's what it is. But anyways, going back to Casper, price was crashing yesterday. Guys, that does not mean that we were bearish. No, it's just a normal sentiment. People do this every time. Okay, people panic because, like I told you guys, grandma's gonna sit over there watching her today's shows, and then look at the price. Oh crap, FTX got, Bybit got, she doesn't even know that Bybit got hacked. All she's seeing is price is falling. Oh crap, I'm selling. Grandpa's gonna look at him like playing his Uno cards and look at him like, what's going on, honey? Yeah, it's crashing, we're selling. Flip, he's gonna sell too. Uncle Tommy from the basement, hearing all the commotion going upstairs, he's gonna come up and peep. What's going on, Grandma? Oh, we're selling. Uncle Tommy, they are the type of investors that don't even ask what is going on. They just sell just because everybody else is selling. That's what I call them. I call them Uncle Tommy. They just click sell. That is exactly what happened yesterday with the price of Casper. But as I'm going to show you, you will see again, it has already started to go back up again. Because those people that are like you and me, that buy all those dips, that try to get their position in all those dips, we understand the macro, the long-term price of Casper. We understand that. And like I said, follow the money. Everything is happening in front of you. For Casper, for example, 10 BPS in like 9 or 8 days. Binance Reward / spot listings is on its way. Smart contracts on the way. And once that happens, the icing on the cake, which are the smart contracts, when that happens, you will wish, like again, you will wish you had followed when I told you, please buy 10,000 Caspers. Buy them and keep them on the side. Because that is the beginning of something very, very huge. I'm telling you guys, okay? So yeah, bull run for me, yeah, you should start looking at probably August, September, October, thereabout. Casper is the only one that will keep on running, like I've always said, because if smart contract comes out in May or June, that is when the ecosystem will start to build. No ecosystem gets built in less than 2 months. No, ecosystem and TVL getting built is going to take at least 6 to 8 months. That's why I think Casper is the only one. Is going to be the only one running during the bear market. Okay, probably till February, March 2026 or something like that. That's why I think about that. So yeah, those of you who panic sold yesterday, I'm sorry about that. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, please always try to understand why. That's why if you look on Twitter, you will see a bunch of things happening. You will know what's going on right away. But if you panic sell, then yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so please guys, you better be holding your altcoins right now, because the altcoin season is here. Those of you who don't believe it is because you are holding probably the wrong project, okay, the wrong one. So if you look at things like Ondo Finance, okay, for me, I think I'm going to start trading Ondo Finance on leverage again. But so far, I'm waiting. The trend line is not showing that bullish momentum on Ondo Finance yet. But I will trade it when the time comes, and you guys will also know. So yeah. Anyways, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. The bull run is here, and it's not gonna last that long. Alt season has started. You will only see it if you hold in the right coins. Okay. Anyways, now let's go look at the market right quick, see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. So if we go here and look at right here, crypto bubbles right quick, and come on, load up. You see the see what I'm telling you? The crash that happened yesterday, where is it? Altcoin season. So you see every green, see, look at the market right now. You tell me if we are still not in altcoin season. For every time I've shown you this channel, ever since I started saying it, the altcoins they are all in green. Even if you look at it on the weekly, okay? See, this is what I'm telling you guys. If you are not seeing gains in your alt, is because your altcoin that you're holding is not worth it. The altcoins running right now, like I'm telling you, this bull run is different. The altcoins running right now, they are utility token. Just look at it, you will see. Anyways, now let's go look at the prices in detail. I mean, first let's start with King Casper. Sorry about that. KAS King Casper, right quick. Excuse me, let me drink. So you can see for the past hour, Casper is down 0.3%, 2.3% up on the day, 5.7% up on the week, 21.3% up on the month, and 39.4% up on the year, sitting at a market cap of $2.62 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $50.58 million. See that? Look at the market cap from 1.7, from 2.7 to 2.6. So barely moved. Again, it was a panic selling. And you're going to see people still panicking yet. Anyways, now let's go look at Quant, the banker's coin, QNT. For the past hour, 0.2% down, 3.9% up on the days, 3% up on the week, 8.7% down on the month, and 6% down on the year. See what I'm telling you about that yearly? It's almost resetting. It's coming. Sitting at a market cap of $1.41 billion and a 24 hours volume sitting at $25.30 million. Okay, looking at the JASMI, the Japanese Bitcoin, JAS, for the past hour, 0.6% down, 1.8% up on the day, 4.8% down on the week, 17.5% down on the month, and 39.7% up on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.03 billion and 24 hours volume sitting at $36.94 million. Looking at last but not the least, Cubic. Okay, excuse me. Cubic here, 2.1% down on the day, 4.1% down on the week. Oh, sorry, 2.1%. Oh, fuck, it keeps changing. 1.9% down the last hour, 4% down on the day, 11.6% down on the week, 37.1% down on the month, and 75.8% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $166.56 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $5.95 million. Okay, so yeah, that's what's going on here. Now let's go look at prices in details. Okay, to do that, we're gonna need our good friend Trading View. Okay, now on Trading View, again, here you can look at what I'm telling you about. There is no point for you to panic, because the funniest thing is that everything I am surprised that people still not able to distinguish when the dump is organic and when the dump is panic. Okay, because when the dump is organic, guys, it goes down slowly, but when it is a panic dump, it drops like a rock, just like you just saw right there. You see that? But instead, another thing you can also see is that if you look at it, let me bring my arrow out. Where is it? Right there. See, look at how fast it dumped. Okay, and you look, 1, 2, and we're back in this range. Okay, we're back there. So this price right here, this happened, this is about to go up to resume where we left, around that 10.7. That's what is about to happen. Look at the ribbon again, curving upwards. It hasn't turned green yet, but I'm telling you, this thing probably turned green today or probably in a few hours. That's what you're about to see. So this what I told you guys when price was here is what is still on the card. So what you saw when this happened, this was just because of that Bybit incident. Okay, nothing has changed for Casper. If you look at it on the 4-hour, you will see the same thing. Look at the 4 hours. See, 4 hourly. Okay, we broke down. Look at it, breaking right back up in again. Ribbon has started to curve. Now, if this was a bad news, this ribbon will be falling. But as you can see, it has started to curve. Let me zoom it down right quick. Let me zoom it out so you will see. See? It has started to curve upwards. So there is nothing to panic about. The momentum is still there and it's going to continue. All you have to do is sit tight and watch it go. If you don't believe it, okay, look at it on the daily. Like I said, I trade on the daily and the weekly. That's what I trade. So yeah, yesterday, we still have how many hours for this? In 4 hours. Okay, we still have 4 hours for this thing to close. And as you can see, we are respecting these lines. If you've been in my channel for long, you will know we had these lines up here in this channel. So yeah, the dump made it to come back and touch it. So I'm expecting this to close above this, and the next candle that is going to open start to go up to go test that 10.9, 10.8 cents. That's what is happening. So those of you selling right now, it is just a panic sale, because everything that is happening points out that Casper is about to run. It's not just something that I'm just saying. I'm just talking about Casper, guys, is about to run. So yeah, there you have it. There's no point of me panicking about Casper, because like I am looking long term. I am looking just a few days, probably not more than a week and a half. This thing, guys, is about to run like a wild dog. That's what's about to happen. Now let's go look at our good friend Quant, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. that's what I call it. I call it the coin a lot of people love to hate. Okay, if you look at that QNT, bam, right there. You guys do remember? I told you guys Quant is going up. Quant has a lot of bullish momentum. What happened yesterday, just like Casper, is not affecting Quant. Look at this. Okay, yeah, ribbon still red because of the events that happened yesterday, but look at the price. We were going up nice and easily. We were like 99, almost $100, if I don't remember wrong. What happened to Bybit? Happened. Price again, look. And look at the recovery. Now look at the ribbon. See? Ribbon is pointing upwards. This right here, all this scenario you're looking at was just an unfortunate event. Now this is going to go back to $100 to start to resume the actual movement that it was going. Nothing is going to stop it. Okay, nothing is going to stop it. Quant is running, and yeah, a lot of people call me crazy, moon boy, or whatever you want to call me, but I'm telling you, Quant is running. That's exactly what you're about to say. You got you a couple of hours and you're about to see this thing back at $100 where it was. Simple, as simple as that. Okay, so even if you go on the 4 hourly, look on the 4. Look at the 4. That's the funniest part ever. This is where we were, and I was telling you guys, look, $100. We were going to retest that resistance / support at $105, right? But whatever happened. We dropped, and look at how quick they brought it right back up. Look at the ribbon, started to curve upwards again. We better go, because before all this happened, we were using the moving average as support. Normally, when we use it as support, price usually bounce back up. But hey, What happened. Nobody had control of it. I could not, you could not. Who knew that somebody was going to steal from Bybit? If we knew, you probably would have told Bybit about it anyways, but we didn't have control of it anyways. As you can see, dumped, now going back up again to go above the moving average and continue the journey. So yeah, I don't use all these mathematical equation or chemical equations to trade. No, I use my simple yet effective method, which is 1, look at your ribbon, 2, look at your moving average, 3, go to your MACD, look at your MACD, look at your RSI. And now I don't trade on the hourly or the 4 hourly. I only use those for price direction. I trade on the daily, weekly, and monthly. That's how I make my money. So yeah, everybody's different. But as you can see, this right here points to the point that this price action is about to resume to go upwards. Now, if you look at it on the daily, which are my time frames, like I trade on the daily, you'll see, look, again, is still curving upwards. We were making good progress until this happened. The daily came back. We're getting supported right on my blue line. If you've been following my channel, you will know. You'll probably by now identify that blue line, which is a good support. We're getting supported on it, and now price is about to start going upwards. Next target, again, 105. This is what the target was yesterday. Still the same target right now, 105. Break that. Use that as support. Next target, 125. Like I always said, we break that with the daily candle close above it. Then we look at next one, 164. If Quant closes a daily candle above $164, guys, get ready for all-time high, which is around $400, and then price discovery. That's what's gonna happen. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmy. Although for me, like I told you guys, Jasmy, we have not much to talk about Jasmy until Bitcoin starts to make that move above $104,000, $104,000, $106,000. The reason is because Jasmy follows Bitcoin to the T. It is scary, but it is what is happening. Jasmy follows Bitcoin. Like every move that Bitcoin does is the same thing that Jasmy is going to do. Like yesterday, this is a perfect example. You guys saw Bitcoin go from 98 or 99,000 all the way down to 93, 94. That's exactly what Jasmy did. If you see, Jasmy did the same thing. Jasmy went all the way down, okay, all the way down to 2 cents. And again, I don't want to say I told you so. If you've been watching my videos, I told you Jasmy was going to go back down to 2 cents. I don't want to say I told you so, but my reason is not the Bybit hack. My reason is because I knew Bitcoin will have a price swing sooner than later, and Jasmy is going to follow. And as you can see to the T, Jasmy came right to 2 cents. Just it might seem funny, it might seem coincident or whatever, but I told you guys, Jasmy was looking to go retest that 2 cents, no fail. So yeah, we retested 2 cents, and the good thing about it, you can see the ribbon is curving upwards. This is the 1 hour, by the way. So which means, yeah, Jasmy is about to go back up to where we were around 2.2, 2.3 cents. Okay, that's what we're about to do. We're about to see if we can break that. But again, I keep telling you guys, the reason why I'm so cautious is because I'm looking at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin fails to go above 104, 106,000, then yeah, Jasmy is going to remain below this important level of resistance, which is 2.3 cents. Okay, but if Bitcoin breaks above it, you're about to see Jasmy break above it. Like here, we were in the process of doing that until whatever that happened yesterday happened. Then yeah, we had to dump because Bitcoin also dumped. If Bitcoin would have held, Jasmy wouldn't have fallen neither. So yeah, that's what's happening here. If you go look at it on the daily, because that's, for me, that's what I look at. I don't look on the hourly or 4 hourly. For my trades, I look on the daily. On the daily, yeah, we are still on the same situation. Like I told you guys, look at the ribbon, still falling, free falling. So 2 scenarios are happening here. Like I told you guys last time, Jasmy is going to continue this sideways movement until the ribbon meets it and starts to curve, and then price upward happens. Or if Bitcoin starts to run 104, 106,000, this price is going to front run the ribbon. So that means before the ribbon starts to curl, price is going to start going up. That's how simple that is. So let's go back here. So yeah, it is what it is. You've seen it. A lot of them still thinking like, yeah, all season hasn't started, all season will start, blah, blah, blah. Guys, all season has started. This is the time you need to get into the coins that you believe into. In my millionaire journey, like I said, Quant, Jasmine, Casper, Cubic. As you can look at the prices of those assets, one is very volatile. Like I told you guys, Cubic is a high risk, high rewards. Okay, Quant, look at Quant price. If all season wasn't here, Quant wouldn't be running, but Quant is running, right? So for those of us holding Quant, all season has started. Right? And for those of you who believe like me that generational wealth is starting right now, oh well, it started a couple of like a year ago, but if you are not late yet, you got to start. You look at Casper. Casper is about to take off like you've never seen. I keep telling you that. You got 9 or 8 days for 10 blocks per second to go mainnet. And then you have the listings frenzy that are coming up. Everybody, go look at wallet number 4. Still even adding more. I'm telling you guys, it's about to go crazy with Casper. Anyways, guys, let's go look at the positions in details right quick, because I know a lot of you think I've been wrecked ever since what happened yesterday, and I am here laughing at the inboxes that I'm getting, right? So anyways, let's go look at the positions. But before that, guys, you can steal 5, 10, 50, or even 100 times your money, 400x your money. Down below, I do have the links: Phemex, Margex, Bydfi, and Weex exchange. Okay, I do have those links below. With those links, sign up, meet their deposit threshold. If you don't meet it, you are not going to get the money. You have to sign up and follow the links below, sign up and read the instructions. Okay, once you meet it, they're going to give you free money. Again, do not leverage trade without practicing. If you do that, you are going to buy yourself a hot first-class ticket to Rec City. You understand? In a simple language, you're going to lose your money. That's how I can tell you. So yeah, you get the free money, take $100, $200, whatever, start to practice. You are still not late yet. You are still not late. You can still practice, because again, market has started to run, but the major run is going to happen when interest rate goes to 0, which is probably May or June this year. And I'm telling you that. So if you wait until May or June this year for for the coins that we are trading, which are Quant, Casper, Jasmine, you are not going to get them at the low price. You're still going to get in, but the price is going to be high. Okay, now you can look at other coins like let me try to think. Ondo Finance, for example. That's why you see me, I'm not trading Ondo Finance right now, because Ondo has a downtrend. You can look at Sui. Sui is another one. Which other one? Yeah, well, let me just keep up to those two. Just wait for probably May. By May, I will start looking at entry on Ondo Finance or Sui on the leverage trade, not spot trade. So yeah, but anyways, please practice first, because if you don't practice, you are going to lose your money. Anyways, let's go look at the prices in my positions right quick. You guys already know I usually start with Bydfi. On here, I am trading Casper, the king, and Quant. You guys already know that, right? So you guys saw my last video, I was up 13,700 or 13,000, almost $14,000. But what happened? Yeah, price will drop back down, but I'm still up, but it's still at $13,000. If you look at my contract, you'll see, wow, Quant is already recovering. I'm on $96 already. If you look at my contract, you see my Casper, I am still down 49%, which is $3,900. And my Quant, I am still down 11%, which is $1,100. Again, for me, this does not bother me at all. I am a very aggressive trader. You can pause and you can look at my video. I trade at 50x. Okay, I trade at 50x. That's how I trade. You can now pause this video and then you can look at my numbers. Again, this does not bother me because I will show you this account in 6 figures and you will see. Don't say I didn't tell you. I will show it to you. Okay. Anyways, now let's go look at my Phemex. On my Phemex, you guys know right there, I am trading Casper and Jasmine. Okay, that's the two that I'm trading over there. For my Jasmine, it's not going to move, of course, because Bitcoin is not moving yet, right? But as soon as Bitcoin starts to move, you will see Jasmine. Come on, you will see Jasmine moving like crazy. I do not want none of that. See what I'm telling you guys? They are offering free money. As you can see, my overall, I am up $11,100. So yeah, the crisis that happened yesterday is almost like people don't even remember it. If you look at my contracts, okay, you will see here, look at that, Casper is recovering 10.2 already. You'll see for my Jasmine, I am still down 54%, which is $5,500. On my Casper, I am up 31. I'm slightly a little bit down that I was yesterday or day before, because if I don't remember wrong, I was up 1,800. But I am still up 31%, which is $1,300. Again, if you check my numbers, I am a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. And I don't recommend this to anybody unless you have experience and you know what you're doing. Okay, so yeah, those are my numbers right there. This is another account I plan on showing you in 6 figures when the bull run is over with. 6 to 8 months. I told you guys, 6 to 8 months you'll be done. We are not going to go to December. I think this thing is going to end before a lot of people even say hello. You're going to see. Anyways, now let's go look at my Weex exchange. On my Weex, you guys know there I am trading Cubic and also Casper. That's simple, right? So you have to pay attention to those kind of things. Cubic, I know it's a very big opportunity, so yeah, I am leverage trading it. At the same time, I am spot trading it. I staked it, so I just forget about it. I won't look at my spot account on Cubic until 52 weeks. So yeah, that's what's happening there. But if you see on my Cubic, I am down 17%, which is $200. And on my Casper, I am up 65%, which is $765. Just the same thing, okay? Here, I am trading at 50x. Like I said, in all my trades, 50x, that's what I trade, okay? Please do not copy me unless you know what you are doing. So yeah, we are down that one, and we are also up on the other one. All I have to do is sit tight and wait, because right now Cubic, the market cap is very volatile. So if you're gonna trade it, please be expecting like swing moves like you see right here. Okay, market dumps, Cubic is gonna dump, blah blah blah, and you guys already know what I mean by everything. So let's go back here. Yeah, it has started. It has started. Now all we have to wait and see the FOMC meeting, the CPI data and all that stuff, how it works. But I'm telling you, they are not going to wait the entire year to cut the rates to zero. Start paying attention to May this year, or if they push it, June. June, they're going to drag interest rate to zero. And once they do, Bitcoin will run probably, how do you say it? 2 to 3 months and the market will be over with. That's what is going to happen. Don't say I didn't warn you, but because I try to tell you. Okay. That being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment. I am very interested in what you have to say about everything that we just talked about. Okay. Also, don't forget to share so that other millionaire-minded people like you and yours truly can see this information. And you never know. You never know what you're gonna learn from a stranger. You know, that things like that happen all the time. Anyways, guys, again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much for watching my videos. And until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourself, and bye-bye.